Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss on how to rectify errors affecting trial balance. So let's see. Here we have one transaction, sold goods on account $2000. So this transaction will be recorded on the credit side of the sales account. Trade receivable. Dollar, instead of 2000 I wrote suppose $20,000. And next I recorded this transaction in the trade receivable and it will come on the debit side. Sales $2000. So in trade receivable the transaction was recorded correctly, but in the sale account there is an error. Instead of writing 2000 I wrote by mistake $20,000. Now see the impact of this on the trial balance. So first I will record sales, and sales account is showing credit balance $20,000, and now I will write trade receivable showing debit balance $2,000. So there is a difference of $18,000. Debit column of the trial balance is showing 18,000 less. So this is the error which is affecting the total of the trial balance. So now what usually we do, so the moment we find the difference in the trial balance, we put that difference in the suspense account. Suspense account. In order to make total of both debit and credit column of the trial balance equal. So here 18,000 was the difference, and that I put in the suspense account. It means after preparing trial balance, I got to know that I have to open suspense account also in the ledger. So now I will open the suspense account. And as the amount is in debit column, so that 18,000 I will write on the debit side of the suspense account. And I will write difference in trial balance in the detail column. So now see, so for the time being I put the difference in the suspense account, and later on I found this mistake that sale account was over credited by $18,000. So this is error which is affecting the trial balance. Now see how to rectify this error. So the overall concept behind rectifying the error is that we will rectify error in such a manner that the affected account starts showing the correct balance. So in this case, the sale account is the affected account, and it is showing wrong balance. The correct balance is $2,000, but it is showing credit balance $20,000. So we need to pass correction entry in such a manner that sale account starts showing correct balance. And the moment we rectify this error, suspense account should show zero balance. Right now suspense account showing debit balance of $18,000. So let's see the correction entry in order to rectify this error. So what I will do here, sale account is over credited by $18,000. So over credited. So in order to rectify this error, what I will do, I will debit the sale account because it is over credited. So just put the excess amount on the debit side. So sales account I will debit with $18,000. And to complete the entry, I will consider the suspense account. Suspense account $18,000. Why suspense account? Because due to this error, suspense account appeared in the ledger. Now, in order to rectify this error, I have to consider the suspense account. So this is the correction entry in order to rectify this error. Now see, the ledger posting of this correction entry. Sale account debited by $18,000. So on the debit side, I will write 18,000. And in the detail column, I will write suspense account. And suspense account credited. So in the suspense account on the credit side, I will write 18,000. And in the detail column, I will write sales. So I have passed the correction entry, and then I have posted the correction entry in the ledger. Now let's see, after passing this correction entry, what is the impact on the ledger accounts. Now we can see that sale account started showing correct balance. Credit balance $2,000, 20,000 minus 18. Now sale account will start showing credit balance. Now sale account will start showing correct credit balance, and that is $2,000. And suspense account is now cancelled. There is no more balance in the suspense account. So this is how we will rectify the error affecting the trial balance. Now two things we need to remember, that we will pass correction entry in such a manner that affected account starts showing correct balance. First thing. Second thing we need to remember, that in order to rectify error affecting trial balance, we will consider, to complete the correction entry, we will consider suspense account. And the moment we rectify errors affecting trial balance, suspense account will show zero balance. So I hope you got the idea that how to rectify errors affecting trial balance.